Here you can see a waterfall chart showing income growth for an example car company. And you can see that income has grown from 65.1 million to 75.9 million over FY21. However, we might want to compare our FY21 income with a pre-year income target. And for that, we'll need to add in a comparison column. To add a comparison column to the waterfall chart, we double click on the chart and add our data in. I'll call this FY21 target. And we'll call it $79 million. You can see that ThinkCell has added it to the waterfall chart, which is the right thing to do. But to turn this into a comparison column, we simply need to click on the connector and hit delete. Best practice is to change the color of the comparison column. So I'll left click on the chart and I'll change the color to gray. So the next question we might ask is, how far behind our pre-year target are we? So I'm going to hold Control and click on each of the columns. Then I'll right click and I'll click on Add Total Difference Arrow. Right now the total difference arrow is pointing in the wrong direction. It's saying 79 million is 4.1% ahead of 75.9. To change this in the other direction, I'll double click once. And now it's comparing the two. Double click again. And now it's showing how far behind 75.9 million is from 79 million. So that's it. That's how you add a comparison column in ThinkCell. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment box down below. Hope that was useful.